Hey, what's going on, BZB fans? My name is Matt. I'm one of the videographers here, and we are going to be talking about NAB New York City, which is coming up here pretty soon. But first of all, I just want to make a quick announcement just regarding our live stream show that we've been doing here. We will be moving our live stream show to Wednesday next week. So following on, we're going to be trying out Wednesday, see how that works, if that's a better fit for you guys as well as us. Hopefully it is. But without further ado, let's go ahead and introduce my guests today. Today we have Ilbron, Vice President of Global Sales, and then Ferrante, one of our videographers. So how are you guys doing today?
Very good.
Hi, good. Yeah, it's Friday.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday to all.
I think everybody's looking forward to a little bit of a weekend, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Well, football season's back and getting going. So any games you guys are looking forward to this weekend or no?
Games?
Yeah, games.
I used to watch the NFL, but not so much anymore. So I'm looking forward to getting out and breathing in some fresh air. That's what I'm going to be doing this weekend.
Okay. What about you, Ron? Any teams you're looking forward to watching?
Actually, it's a sports season, so we're gonna have a World Cup coming up in less than 2 months, I believe. Soccer World Cup. That's a big and international event.
All right.
So that's exciting. Yeah.
All right. So let's go ahead and dive into NAB New York City. I think everybody's really looking forward to this one. I know we are, especially having a booth and everything there. And one of the big things is these shows have been really, really good for us. We just came back from Amsterdam, and that was a pretty successful show. And it seems like we just kind of keep it kind of helps keep us grounded, right? Because one of the big things is we get to see what people are looking for in our products and adjust accordingly to that. So one of those things that we kind of did was a new product that we announced, which is our Adamo 4K DA, which is our Dante AVH Adamo model. So that's one of the products that I think is going to be at NAB New York, right, Ilron? I think.
You're welcome, industry. Yes, I'm proud to announce that we finally have a Dante AV product shipping, and this is a milestone for us and for Dante as well. So as you guys know, Dante AV is relatively new, but it's a promising technology. We're looking forward to it. We are the first camera with AI technology that will have a Dante AV. So if you're a Dante guys, and if you're working in the environment with the Dante products, you can easily integrate our camera into your Dante ecosystem.
Mm-hmm. So that's kind of something that I did a little bit of a video on, just covering an overview on the Dante side of things. And I think we'll just sit here and talk about Dante for a little bit. But Dante, you could say it's a competitor in the space of NDI. They both do things differently, so they fulfill a little bit of different roles. But specifically on our 4K DA for our Adamo, it's using Dante AVH, which is their H.264 and 265 version of Dante AV. And the idea behind that is, instead of being similar to like Dante AV, where you would need their control module and everything, This is a software-based solution. So this is already going to be taking advantage of the H.264 and H.265 software that is already being used on these cameras instead of using JPEG 2000, for example. So it makes it really easy to kind of integrate with a lot of different systems. And one of the really cool things about Dante, as far as AV is concerned, is it does allow you to take different products from different manufacturers, as long as they are all Dante enabled products, and work together. So that's something that you don't really get a whole lot of in the industry, of different products from different manufacturers easily being able to work together in one simple software controller. So that's one of the really big things about Dante. I think we also announced a few other products, one of which would be the Cyclops. So would anybody like to kind of touch a little bit on what the Cyclops is? Because I'm pretty sure we'll probably have that at New York as well.
Yes, we will have that at New York. That's our new product. It's a nice looking, very efficient video bar that has an AI technology in it. So you can use the HDMI or USB port of it for within your application soft codec devices as well. You can actually extend the mic and cover larger area if it's needed.
Awesome. So if you are interested in going to NAB New York, I'm just going to throw out what our booth number is. NAB NY booth number 1825. 1825. We'd love to see you there. We want to get you guys hands-on with some of these products. So what is your guys's one top thing that you are looking forward to with NAB New York? Ilbron?
Well, I would say NAB New York, it's another the next division of the NAB Vegas, so that we can go and catch up with the clients, with partners and associates over there, catch up and see how is everything with them, create those relationship with them as well. There are good opportunities over there that we can actually attend and learn new things and what is going on in the market and in how the industry is shaping. So they are educational lectures over there as well, opportunity to meet with the people and see some other products. There are a lot of broadcasters over there, and we're gonna be there talking to them, hearing their challenges, and try to find a solution for their problems as well.
Mm-hmm. Flo, what's been your favorite part about going to these shows? And what's kind of the thing that you're looking forward to the most about NAB New York?
One of my favorite things when it comes to these shows is definitely seeing faces that we haven't seen in a while. Also, trending technology. And for us as a company, whenever we attend these shows, we're not just out to showcase our technology and new products, as mentioned, as Elbron was mentioning. We're out and trying to see how the industry is shaping up. We're out there looking for new tech trends. What's the new? What's new and popular with all these different companies, and it's a great place for us to kind of just hit the ground running with okay, this is what's new and popular. And of course, we do our research. Part of it is also, yes, it's great to see a lot of people, seeing a lot of faces in the new tech, but we're always trying to do our part when it comes to just researching and just finding out okay, this is something that's trending. Maybe we need to do a little bit more a deeper dive basically when it comes to all these different technologies. So besides the people that we typically see, I mean, I do see a lot of same faces at these shows. A lot. What I'm kind of looking forward to is what is the new trending technology? It's great that you guys were talking about Dante AVH and NDI. I just want to see where these technologies are going to go next and how it's going to continue to just vanguard the industry. So really looking forward to these ecosystems and also what we can do to integrate them to our products.
Yeah, and I think one of those big things, and I know it's something that I've kind of brought up a whole lot, kind of just seeing where things are going or what new technologies are out there and how they're developing, has definitely been the auto tracking space. Auto tracking is kind of it's come a long way since some of the models that I had seen when I first started with BZB gear. It has definitely come a long way, especially with the AI auto tracking, the ability to just set it down and just press a button and it does its job and it does it well and it doesn't lose
Mhm.
track of the target. Is really, really cool to see. That's one thing that we've definitely been showing off at our booths since we have gotten the ability to add that to our Adamo, is that AI auto tracking, because I think a lot of people in the industry, a lot of people that maybe are part of a house of worship or a yoga studio where they do online classes or education or anything like those, where sometimes you might be a little bit limited on the amount of staff that you have to help you run things. Anything like those, I think that's really an ideal market for an AI auto tracking solution, especially one that will be 100% reliable. And that's something that we've definitely been seeing with our AI auto tracking. And of course, it's getting better because we are constantly working um, with the people that are writing the algorithm for that to continue iterating on it and getting it better and better. And that's one of the other things we're doing, is we're trying to bring that same technology to our other lineup of cameras. So that's something we have coming down the pipeline. It's not just going to be the Adamo that's the only AI auto tracking camera out there. We are 100% working towards bringing that feature set that the market really wants to our other products.
Yeah, just to add on, like a little bit of feedback that I got from IBC, and probably something similar that we'll hear at NAB NY. I'm not going to be out there, but Elbron will be out there. But I'm sure a lot of a lot of people have given me feedback like, oh, we're setting up our own studio, and like people want their own little studio now, and it seems like that's like the new thing now is like setting up a studio. And of course, when it comes to manpower or having live video operators, people don't always have that. And so goes back to the auto tracking technology that you're talking about, Matt, is it's starting to really become something that people want. Like, hey, I'm a one person crew. I need like a production and a system or a camera that can, basically do the camera work for me. And so that is one thing that I really did hear from a lot of people. Like they want a camera that can pretty much manage its own and just be the cameraman. I don't want to hire another videographer for those instances. So I think the auto tracking technology is on a rise, and hopefully with what we're doing now with the stature auto tracking head and shoulders, I'm hoping to see some more improvements at NAB and NY. Maybe we'll find out something else from other companies, but I for us ourselves, I know that we're going to be headed that way when it comes into improving our auto tracking technology.
Mm-hmm. So, Ilbron, what's something that you kind of have been getting from these trade shows that people are really looking for from our products?
Well, everybody has some sort of solutions, and that's why they are over there to figure out how to solve those problems. There are so many. So I've talked to different people with different backgrounds. When it comes to the technology, they obviously broadcasting and it shows like NAB. It's all about making the content, uh, and also managing the content and processing the content to reach to send it out to the people to watch it. So whatever that makes those content uh, seamless and make them with the higher quality at the higher quality are the things that the people trying to do overall. As Flo mentioned, there are lots of people are trying to find a solution or solutions that to reduce the use of the manpower, make things simpler, and put the cameras at distance or at locations that nobody can reach and grab a good pictures of view of whatever is going on. And that's where the cameras, such as our cameras, BTZ cameras, are getting their uh, they getting their interest at the field. Like if you are a stadium and there's a game going on, you want to take a shot from from different angles. This type of the technologies is what you can use. Not only the cameras, we carry other products. You have a great video content. You want to transfer them to the remote location. There are so many mediums that they are required to transfer that that video signal around with different type of cabling. So we have those type of the thing as well. So we are partnered with HDBaseT, so we can send signal through HDBaseT. Or also we have our 12G SDI equipments that they can split the signal, or we can extend the signal through regular coax cables, or we can send the signal uh, through fiber solutions to remote locations for those places that they need to manage the content or stream it. So again, it's a show. Everyone comes with the problem, and we try to find a solution for their problems with our products and fit um, in their application.
Mhm. And speaking of having problems and maybe looking for solutions, I think that's one of the things that we try and make sure that we do when we're at these shows is make sure that we are open to having meetings with people that maybe are looking at potentially buying some of our products or just looking for, they have a problem. Let's say, for example, it's a house of worship and they need so many cameras and they need them to be in certain positions, but they also want something that can do 4K or 12G SDI or whatnot. We definitely try and make sure that we're available to talk to them and help them kind of walk through, okay, so this is what you need, this is what we can offer you. Or one of the things that we did not too long ago, and it was with a hospital that was looking at some of our products. They had a specific need with some of our cameras. They wanted to go with our cameras, but they needed something that would not only, when it powered off, just turn away from the patient, so it wasn't like it gave them a little bit more comfort and privacy,
Yeah.
but also the ability to digitally zoom in as well as optically zoom in if they needed to get really close up to something. And that's something that we worked on a custom solution for them. And so, to my knowledge, they've been very happy with the product that they received. And it did meet all of the things that they needed. So we are very open to just listening to what people want, and then being at the trade show is a great way to kind of talk and get a in-person, face-to-face meeting with us, so that way you know that you're getting your needs squared away.
Yeah, definitely. And also it gives you the idea of what will be the next product that you have to build for the
Mm-hmm.
market. So all those comments, all those feedbacks, hearing all these challenges or ideas from people in the industry always help with designing the next product. Sure.
All right. So, Ilbron, do you happen to know any of the other products that we might be bringing into NAB New York, or are most of those kind of hush hush still?
Well, we have our cameras, obviously. The Adamo series will be there. Then we will have metrics features. We will have our video over IP solutions as well over there. We got the video bar, as video bar mentioned earlier. Joystick controllers. We have our signal pattern generators, analyzers, and a couple splitters, extenders, and stuff like that.
All right.
I would say you better to come to the our booth and see yourself what we carry. We might have some surprises over there for you, but I would rather see you in person and show you those products.
Absolutely. And I think at most of these major shows that we've been to, we've had something new to show off. It's been
Yes, we
kind of
will
a
have something
consistent
to
thing.
show, but
So we definitely
yeah,
like to surprise people a little bit when they come to our booth.
yes,
Speaking of,
for sure. Yeah,
that booth again is going to be booth number 1825, and that's NAB New York.
yes.
All right, gentlemen, do you have anything else to add about NAB New York?
I think I'm good. I will just we'll see you there. Hopefully, you guys stop by, give us a high five.
High five, huh?
High five, yeah. We are back to the normal life, so no more mask, no more 6 feet social distancing. So let's just, you know, Get the high
I
five.
think everybody's really enjoying that aspect, just being able to see everybody and
Yes.
get back to these conventions and see everything new out there. What about you, Flo? Do you have anything else to add?
Not so much. I'm just looking forward to what this show has to offer, and a lot of times again when we go to these shows, it's just not so much to show a lot of our products, but it's a learning experience for us. So I'm sure there's going to be something new that we'll see at the show, and yeah, can't wait to see it.
Oh, we can't wait to win another award. So let's
Oh
make it
yeah,
four in a
that's
row.
hey. I mean, we might
Yeah.
as let's go for it. This is our fourth show this year, right, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Fourth
the
show,
second
and
NAB
we
show.
hope
So
to win
we did it at the first
fourth.
NAB in Las Vegas. Why can't we do it again? So
Yes, for
it's
sure. We have the.
we'll leave it to you, Elbron.
We'll do our best.
Absolutely. Always set that bar high. So thank you, gentlemen, for coming on today. Again, thank you guys for
Thanks for
watching
having us.
today. Just remember, NAB New York, booth number 1825. We are very much looking forward to seeing you guys. I think I actually have a show of the, or not a show, but a picture of this. Here we go. So there is the show timeline there that is going to be coming up here October 19th and 20th. NAB New York, booth 1825. So really looking forward to seeing you guys there. We have plenty of products that we are really looking forward to letting you guys get your hands on. And remember, next week we will be doing the show again. It will just be starting from Wednesday, following on. So next week, the week after that, we'll be doing it on Wednesday. We might adjust the time frame just a little bit, but just remember Wednesday, and we try and shoot for around 4 o'clock PST. So, till next time, see you guys later.